The 42nd Amendment of Indian Constitution is known as mini constitution because it attempted to alter the basic structure of Indian Constitution. The 42nd Amendment, in the form of the Constitution Act 1976, added the words socialist, secular, and integrity in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. The 42nd Amendment transferred 5 subjects from state list to concurrent list: education, forests, weights and measures, protection of wild animals and birds, administration of justice. This amendment added fundamental duties for the citizens. It made the Indian President bound to the advice of the Cabinet. It allowed Centre to deploy central forces in states. It gave special discriminatory powers to the Speaker of Lok Sabha and Prime Minister. It curtailed the judicial review power of the High Courts. The directive principles were given precedence over fundamental rights, and any law made to this effect by the Parliament was kept beyond the scope of judicial review by the court. It added tribunals to deal administrative matters and for other matters. 4 new directive principles of state policy were added: to secure opportunities for the healthy development of children, to promote equal justice and to provide free legal aid to the poor, to take steps to secure the participation of workers in the management of industries, and to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard forests and wildlife. These are the salient features of the 42nd Amendment of the Indian Constitution.